Hello, I'm Chris Bailey from C Bailey Film, and this is Instant Calamari. See that my FPS is really bad. Now it's tanking at 10 frames per second right now. Come down to the Armature data tab. So with the Armature selected, and we click Generate Calamari. Here we go. So it's all finished now. If you hide this collection with the tick box or the eyeball, you'll see that I'm hitting 60 FPS, which is my max, right? I've turned it right up to 60 FPS. This is overkill. This mesh right now is ridiculously dense so that I can get a slow FPS to demonstrate this, but this is really effective if you've got like multiple characters in the scene, and you'll start to see this slow down in your viewport. Now it's going to take about 10 seconds to run on a dense mesh like this, so just give it a moment. You can see now we've got these two new collections. The deform mesh you could recognize is the same as what we had, so these haven't been changed at all. The only thing that's changed is they've been moved into this collection, so you can easily hide them. They're still parented to the armature, they're still weighted exactly the same, so nothing's changed about these. You can see what it is basically. You have these individual mesh objects, and then it's parented. If you go to the relationships here under the data tab, relations, you can see it's the parent, the calamari hero rig, and the parent type is bone, and then there's the name of the bone that this piece is parented to. That's it. If you have any issues with it, there's a bug report form in the documentation, and yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let me know. Thanks.